Hi, I'm Lisa, and welcome to The Week That Was, a 60-second look at what happened this past week at SJIES. Start the clock. Our week started on a magical Monday with our usual morning assembly, the virtue of the week being creativity. Monday was also the start of Book Week at SJI. On terrific Tuesday, the big read was held, where for 20 minutes, everyone chose a spot to just sit and read. Also starting on Tuesday, guest authors began visiting the school to share their love of writing. Wonderful Wednesday, the ever-popular book swap continued to take place, as well as buddy class reading throughout the school. Thrilling Thursday, the parents of grade 3s attended a maths workshop in the morning, followed by mystery readers coming in to read some of their favorite books to a class. Fantastic Friday was a highlight of the week, with everyone coming to school dressed as non-fiction characters and showing off their amazing costumes to the whole school during the book parade. On behalf of the Week That Was team, I'm Lisa, and we'll see you again next week.